Today we have gathered for the movement of demanding Kokborok to be written in Roman script. Recently we have seen a statement made by the Chief Minister that at CBSE examination, the Kokborok subject will be written only in Bengali script. We are not against of Bengali script. Either we respect all the script, but 99% Kokborok speaking people demand for Roman script, and this is not a demand for 2-3 years, but this is the demand of PSF and the people of the Kokborok speaking people since very long time. And we have made recently a press meet warning the government that our demand of implementation of Roman script at Kokborok subject should be implemented. But we can see no response from the government side, and we are bound to take this step. We have started our movements yesterday at Bisramganj and today in Agartala. We are calling for more protests and movement in all over the Tripura. If not, still then, the government is not listening us, we will go and we will be bound to call a strike all over the state. And our demand, we are not begging, but this is our right and it should be given to us. The government totally neglect us, but we want them again. We have requested several times. This is not the first time that we have come for a movement. We want the government, if our demand is not put up and not implemented, we will go for a greater movement in whatever we can.
Thank you.